December 24th. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Pie is getting in the way. Get out of the way. It's the first time I've seen the deer this year. I've seen some tracks the last couple of days. I just put fresh food out a couple hours ago. It's Pie. Moving the camera. I'm waiting on the kitty corridor. You'll see that in the foreground. I'm hoping this is more focused than it seems to be as I'm looking through here. Oh, looks like one deer is leaving. Or maybe just going around the back. A little skittish because of something. Ooh. Oh. Heard something. Where they go? Darn. Oh. Nice to see them. Bye, dear. See you later. Merry Christmas.